Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix touch vibration setting. Friends, when you touch your phone any button and when you use your keyboard and this touch vibration guys, so how to fix guys the touch vibration on infinix phone. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So when first of all how to fix touch vibration. So by we will on guys our phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of settings. So how to fix touch vibration friends, click on guys your phone sound and vibration setting. After on sound and vibration guys, you can adjust your all volume from here. Vibrate for call setting is here. You want to use a vibrate for call, so guys click on always vibrate. Phone will always vibrate for call. So guys we will click on never option. Do not disturb guys, you want to enable, you can enable and use do not disturb. So guys click on guys your touch vibration setting, where you can see haptic feedback for tap, keyboard and more options. So guys tap here, your touch vibration will fix. Friends, easily friends you can use your keyboard and guys you can use your phone without any touch vibration setting. So like that guys we can fix touch vibration on infinix phone. And then second option, direct friends, you can fix from here guys. You don't know where is touch vibration setting, so guys search here touch vibration setting. As you can see touch vibration for keyboard sound and vibration, click here. By mistake guys you have no touch vibration, guys tap here, your problem will solve. So like that guys we can fix that touch vibration on infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Trying to have any doubt guys related to guys your infinix phone settings, so friends you can ask me comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys, we will meet on next video.